In this video, we're going to look at the steps to download the ISO file of Windows 11 version 22H2 directly from the Microsoft servers. So if you want to direct download the ISO file to install version 22H2, do the following. First, you need to open this Microsoft support website. Check the video description to get the link. Second, scroll down the page and under Download Windows 11 Disk Image, select the Windows 11 option and then click the download button. Select the language, in my case it will be English United States, and then click confirm. Now click the download button and select where to save the file. The ISO file is about 5 gigabytes, so make sure that you have enough space on the hard drive. Once the download completes, you can use the file to install Windows 11 version 22H2 on a virtual machine, or you can use it with another tool to create a virtual media to do a clean installation or an in-place upgrade. Also, you can actually open the ISO file, just like I'm going to do right now, and that will mount the ISO into File Explorer, and you can actually start the setup for an in-place upgrade directly without a USB drive or anything like that. And that's all there's to it. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.